Hello.
What up?
Indicators, Monaco's favorite.
One of my many favorites. If you haven't figured out by now, like everything's my favorite
This is true.
when it comes to chemistry. But indicator dyes are really cool because they are molecules. An indicator, that molecule, it will change its color because it's sensitive to acids or bases. So technically, indicator dyes are Bronsted-Lowry or acids or bases, and when they accept or donate protons based upon whatever's around them, they change their shape, and when they change their shape, they change the wavelength of light that they reflect because of the pi orbital systems.
Here we go. So these they basically just change color based on the relative concentration of the ions that are present in the solutions you are testing.
Right. So if it accepts H plus, it turns this color. If it accepts an OH, if it donates an H plus, it turns that.
Right. So different dyes will do different things. We got to learn how to read this chart.
That's the
this chart is really not. Once you get it, but it doesn't show you how to read it in the chart.
That's why we had to teach you.
Yeah, we're going to teach you how to do this.
So you got to make sense of table M.
This is how we do it. So you want to read it and I'll write?
Sure. So you'll have to find the indicator of interest.
All right.
There's 6.
I don't like phenolphthalein.
Phenolphthalein, yeah.
Let me pick litmus.
There you go.
Litmus. I found my litmus.
Now, the approximate pH range, whatever is the left of the range, is the color on the left in the color change.
3.3 would be left of the 4.5.
So
I'd be left of the range, pick the left color.
Right, because again, remember, these dyes change color. Now, to the right of the range, that's listed in the approximate
pH range. So if my range would
range.
say 9.6, that would be the right of this 8.3.
And it would be blue.
So then it would be a blue.
Right, and if it's in the middle, perfect smack dab in the middle, what do you think you do?
So let me see. So that would be like 6.0 would be right in the middle.
You'd mix red and blue.
And make purple.
Purple. Right. So indicator dyes are cool because they show you colors. They mix colors. They're changing. That is what is up.
That is what is up. So some examples, right?
There's a methyl orange example. So pH below 3.1, methyl orange is going to be red.
Right, because it says a fine methyl orange, which it is.
Should show you how
Right
you
here.
do an indicator. An indicator.
Sorry, I don't have any on me, but
it's a tiny little dropper. So
Yeah,
you add a drop to your solution.
So I found my methyl
and it'll
orange.
change color.
pH of 3.1 is right here, and that's on the left-hand side, so I'm going to use the left-hand color.
Red.
4.4 is on the right-hand side, it will be the right-hand color, yellow.
And again, remember, this indicator is something you're dripping into your beaker, and it'll change the color of the solution to whatever is telling you based on the chart.
Right. So another one, we won't draw this out, but if I find bromothiamyl blue, look up my pH of 6.
Mhm.
Looking at bromothiamyl blue, pH of 6 is on the left-hand side, so that's going to be a yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And 7.6 is on the right-hand side, it's going to be
Blue, and if it's the middle, yellow and blue make green.
yellow and blue make green. Oh, we're going to test our art skills.
A little bit. So we animated this for you for simplicity's sake.
Just
We're
to
going to
really
go
go through
each one. Get your colored pencils, get your markers.
Yes.
Do it on your homework paper.
Yes. So methyl orange from 3.1 left is going to be red, is what it says, because red is the left color, and I'm on the left part of the range, right?
There it is. From the right, it's going to be yellow. Above pH 4.4, it's going to be yellow because we're on the right-hand side of the color range change, and it's on the color change. It says yellow.
Right. So in that little space in between, if it was orange, I would be able to pick the pH range of a small little.
So you know that the pH is between 3.1 and 4.4. There you go. It's orange. There you go. Bromo, thiamyl, blue.
So from the left of 6 is yellow, and to the right of 7.6 is blue.
If your pH, if you drip this into your solution and it turned green, you'd know that your pH of that solution is somewhere between 6 and 7.6.
There you go. Now we're really reading the chart because it doesn't say anything about green there.
No.
Phenolphthalein. This is what we will be using in lab.
Yep. It's colorless up until pH 8.
Right. And then all of a sudden it turns
beautiful kinky magenta.
Yes.
So this is a great one because there's no color transition. It's either colorless and all of a sudden pink starts showing up. That's why we use this indicator.
Yes. And we will find that the way this works is it gets actually more and more pink as it gets down into this range. It'll turn out dark magenta dye. We will actually compete for the lightest shade of pink possible.
That would be finesse.
Yes.
Okay, so next one. Litmus. This was in our properties of solutions. They're acidic or basic.
Yeah.
But under pH 4.5, it's red.
Yep.
Above pH 8.5 or so, it's blue. Anywhere in between there, it's a purple color. So this litmus in the jar is kind of just like this purple dark liquid. before
Yeah.
you use it.
Yeah, or it's we get the paper strips that don't have. You're looking for one color and not a range of
Yeah.
colors. It's like a quick initial test. And just let me know, am I
Is it
acid
acidic or is it basic?
And then from there, I got to do other tests to figure out where it is on that
Right.
spectrum. But it's a quick test.
Yeah.
So it works.
From Cresol Green.
Yellow from 3.8-ish or so left,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
And then from 5.4 up, it's blue because I got yellow on the left, I got blue on the right,
Green in the middle.
green in the middle.
And Thymol Blue. Yellow on the left, 0 to 8. It's yellow, and from 9.5 to 14, it's blue. So a lot of these ones are green in the middle during the transition.
Yeah, there was 3 of them that were green in the middle.
Cresol Green, Thymol Blue, Brom Thymol Blue. So there you go. There you
But
got
helps
your
us with our
indicator.
range. That's pretty much it. That's how we
Practice.
use indicators.
And we
Can we
need
read
to
this
know
chart?
how to use indicators so that when we do titrations and neutralizations, you
We're gonna-
know when you finished.
Yes. When do I hit that endpoint? So there it is.
Thanks.
See you.
See ya.